This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of the PowerShell scripting. Myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I have a 10 plus of IT experience. Especially, I'm working on the cloud environments for the scripting or automation point. Not only PowerShell, I will also work on Python environment. Same thing I will provide as a trainings from my end. I'm an individual trainer. I'm not part of any institutes. There is no restrictions for me to complete in the limited time. Yes, Ramesh, absolutely, you are correct. Am I audible to you guys? Yes, I am speaking now. Ramesh, now I am speaking. Please confirm it in the chat box. Yes, thank you. Yes, guys, please confirm it. Yes, thank you, Pooja. Yes, fine. Okay, so if you are unable to get the voice, just you have to do the setup in your mic setup only. Just you have to enable the proper speakers which you are using. Okay, guys, try to understand this demo. So first of all, who are eligible? Why we should learn, and we will see some demos. And this course we are going to start from the scratch onwards, like scratch to, even I cannot say advanced level. Okay, I will teach you advanced level, but how you are receiving, that is depends on you. I will call scratch to advanced level, but which is completely depends on you, especially advanced point. So scratch to advanced means like a student, if this if that person start the school journey, they will start the learn the alphabets A, B, C, D. In that manner, we are going to start our journey. Person, those who are not having any idea, but you want to learn the PowerShell, yes, from completely zero. Mostly, we have a one phobia is there. If those who are having minimum or intermediate knowledge, I am good at commandlets, but I am unable to write the programs. Even just attend 2 to 3 sessions, you will get the more clarity. Guys, this session we have a 55 plus hours training. Absolutely 2 months. I am saying to you one word, not end of the training, you may have one question. Are we able to write script end of the training? No. I'm saying to you something. No means not for my question. This course is going to divide as a 3 parts. 1 to 20 one session, and 20 to 35, and 35 to remaining sessions. After completion of 35 sessions only, you will able to write the your own required automation task. This is a one, sir. This is a course design. 1 to 25 sessions will give to you a clear, clear hidden secrets. Everything we are going to learn. Right? I am saying to you, after completion of the 35 sessions only, we can able to write our own programs. Not end of the training. Even not end of the training. And come to one more point. Sir, who are eligible to learn? You're working, you're planning to learn DevOps environment or cloud. already you are working on any Windows product. Even Windows product means your SQL Server related one, Citrix related one, VMware related one. Yes, and Windows environment, especially Azure Cloud, any Windows product. Even now AWS with PowerShell, huge demand is there now. Jenkins, especially. You are belongs to any Windows product or cloud related one. Completely do the command line automation. Command line automation purpose. Yes, I have defined some of them only. Your belongs to Office 365. Yes, that product depends on your requirement. If you want to do that automation, yes, you can start it. You can happily start this journey. It is completely live plus interactive training. And one more thing, sir, I am completely new to this one. Yes, happily you can start it, sir. Why? Because it will helpful to you in your IT career to do that automation. This training is completely different. It's a live and interactive. First, main focus on 1 to 20 sessions. Then you will habituated to how to write the programs and how to write proper commandlets. So which is purely depends on the first 20 sessions out of 55. Out of 55, which is completely depends on the first 20 sessions only. 20 sessions only. Right? Then after, just try to understand the batch timings. What is the regular batch timings? Yes, Ravi Kumar, everything is good from my end. Please confirm it. Okay, batch timings are these timings are fixed from last 7 years. One is morning 8 a.m. to 8 to 9 a.m. IST, and another one is 8 to 9 p.m. IST, which is Monday to Friday, and morning batch also Monday to Friday. We have a two different batches are available. We have a two different batches are available. Guys, one thing, same link will be available for to attend the live session. We have a same link. For example, in 1 month, first 15 days you are belongs to morning shift. That time it is not possible to attend in the morning hours. You can attend that 15 days evening hours. Evening hours. You can attend evening hours. Means every day same topic will run in the morning and evening. If you miss the morning, even day wise also fine. I am not only saying to you every 15 days. So for example, day 1 is not possible to attend morning. Try to attend the day evening hours. Sir, I have a lot of time. Can I attend both? That is depends on you. You can attend it. And moreover, after every live session, I will share to you daily recordings, notes, commands history, and scripts. This every day you will get a, like if you see this one, I will show you last batch or running batch information. Like every day, for example, day 1 is there. Any one of the day, for any one of them you can take it. For example, this is a one WMA reporting scripts, day 48. So example point I am talking. That day, particular video file, script file, images, command history, and notes. Every day you will get for your registered mobile number or registered mail ID you will get after every live session. So whether you are attending for the live or not, you have one backup. Day one onwards, you have a download option. You can download it daily wise or weekly wise. Maximum it will available to you 6 months. The backup is available to you 6 months from the course starting date too. The best practice is after every live session, download every day in your local laptop. Otherwise, after completion of the course, at a time you can download it. The course will complete 2 to 3 months. Remaining 4 months also it is available in the drive. And when you play the video, your mail ID will be displayed somewhere. Randomly, it will display to somewhere. It is not possible to share others also. Even if you download and share also, your mail ID will be tracked. Okay, fine, sir. These are the information about that one. So, who are eligible? You are belongs to any one of the technologies. Like you are a fresher. You are a fresher if you are planning to learn a Windows product, any Windows product. Any Windows product is your plan. Really, I am saying to you, 100% genuine subject you are going to get from this point. A genuine content you are going to get from this point. Right? So, then definitely it is a completely 55 plus hours. Sir, before going to automate your technology, this is secondary. First, how much you are good at PowerShell. That is important. Sir, I want to do the automation in Azure Cloud. Definitely, it is a matter of 1 minute. We can also create a VM in 1 minute also when you know the PowerShell command proper way. What is the command? What is out? What is a command let? Why we have this type of classification? If you go to the, it's a PowerShell. Why it is famous, sir? Really, when we started the learning of the computer, mostly at 10 years back or 20 years back. Yes, your active director Nishant. I'm simply Microsoft product, anything. Even AWS also now huge demand is there. For example, just one simple example I will tell you. There is a one requirement is there. Azure Cloud, Azure admin is required for one organization. So generally what we will do, we will take the training on the from any institute or any one of the guys. You will get 200% from the portal only. 200% to 200% you will get the subject from the portal only. I mean, just hold on. Usually how we will start? We will go to the Azure Cloud or AWS Cloud. We will create a AWS account if it is AWS or VMware. I am not talking about the technology. Just they will explain to you how to create a service. For this job, 100 members are there. 100 members definitely they have ability in the portal. Nothing but GUI based approach. This is a graphical user interface. But I will say to you, only 2% are 2 members only having the portal plus PowerShell knowledge nowadays. Definitely, which will enhance your profile. With only PowerShell, there is no jobs. Only if I learn the PowerShell, will I get the job, sir? No, sir, not at all. Whatever your working technology, for that automation, you can implement this one. You're working on SQL Server, yes, if you learn the PowerShell. VMware, Azure Cloud, or DevOps, uh, like for that. For example, yes, if I want to create a VM, see guys, there is a one console is there. How simple are you believe this one? Now see how simple I am going to create the uh, one Azure machine. There is no presettings in front of you only. I am opening this one. See, new AZVM. If I know the command properly, if I know the command properly, it is very simple way to create a VM. See, here as of now, if you don't know this technology or this is like a Microsoft Azure, even if you don't know Lily, just I am showing to you how to create the VM. As of now, some other VM is there. I am creating one VM. That's all. My VM is ready. In fraction of seconds, you are going to get a VM. I provided my VM name as ABCD. See, even if you bring a non-IT people, they worked previously like a non-IT way, they can easily learn this portal. But what is the specialty with you? Hmm. What is the specialty of you? Sir, even not only this one, even Linux also. When you learn the Linux, previously we are asking shell script, but this is dedicated to Linux servers. Maybe you may have one idea. Sir, will I learn PowerShell? Is it only for Windows product? 100% no answer. Why? Because there is a one stamp is there like that. PowerShell is for Windows products. No, sir. Now PowerShell also now open source. Now PowerShell is using for even AWS is the best example. Cloud environments. It is a open source. Not only it is a Windows product which we are using on Linux servers also. The best example I will show it to you in Azure Cloud. There is a one option is there, Cloud Shell. Not only Azure Cloud, sir. You can take any VMware or any technology. This is readily available here. That's why I'm showing to you. Just see here. It's a command line interface. Here it will work with PowerShell commands only. There also they are using PowerShell, but backend operating system is Linux. The wonderful logic here. I will practically I will show you now. So not only I mean this is a right time. So to learn your automation purpose, right? So wait, it is going to create a storage account actually. It is going to create a storage account. Yes, this is a one. Then after practically I will show you how it is going to your PowerShell is going to work on Microsoft Azure. Meanwhile, do the refresh. Yes, our VM is ready now. Our VM is ready. Maybe you may have different questions, right? So what about the default IP addresses and other things? Yes, it will take the default values. Akram, default values will come. See, it is working with PowerShell. You can closely observe your cloud. You're working on the cloud, Azure DevOps or Jenkins. Jenkins is not only related to Microsoft pipeline creation. Even I can delete this VM with my simple command I will create. I mean, if I know the commands properly, it is not a unknown or mysterious language. It is very simple if you follow the 1 to 20 sessions only. You can analyze yourself after completion of the training. No, after completion of 20 to 35 sessions only, you can analyze yourself how much we are good at this area. After 25, 20 to 35 sessions after, 1 to 20 you will get a clarity. Okay, what is the command and how to use it. 20 to 35 you will get a clarity how to write our own scripts, how to do that automation. I am saying to you, I am not saying to you, I am here, I am not saying to you, you can analyze end of the training. I am very clearly saying to you, very clearly, after completion of 35 sessions only. And it is a batch number 50 and 51, 5051. I observed lot of issues and lot of people also. Definitely two things are required to learn this technology. Either attend live or follow the recording session if it is not possible. For live training, you have a two option. Even if you are stick to only one morning batch, that is up to you. If not, you can attend either evening also. Otherwise, completely it is very suitable for evening only. Yes, you can attend for that. But give the priority for live. If not possible, yes, every day maintain a notes if you are following the recorded session. Maintain a notes, follow the recorded session videos. If you have any queries, every day we have a 5:30 to 6:30 evening hours. You can communicate with me regarding your the day or particular day error point. And first 35 1 to 35 sessions, between 1 to 35 sessions out of 55, you will get the weekly assignment up to level 2. Out of 3 levels, up to level 2, you will get the weekly assignments. Means Monday to Friday we are discussing about XYZ topic. The XYZ topics you are going to get here. Yes, we have a lab here only. Lab, no need to do anything, sir. Just we need, sir, do we need any other settings? Do we need purchase anything? Just Windows machine is enough. Maybe you are using Windows 7 or 8.1 or 10 or Mac OS. Any one of the operating system is fine. No need to purchase anything. Practically theory and lab. Do both the things you are going to get from my end only. Theory as well as lab. We will give the more priority for the practical only. Just at 1 to 2 sessions only you will get the clarity. These much of secrets we have. You will get that word in 1 to 2 sessions only. Even if you are using Windows operating system or Windows client operating system, that is a default we have a PowerShell. Even there also different versions are there. When every operating system, how we have the version, like PowerShell application also having the different version. Started their journey in 2006 1.0. Now today 3.x 3.7.3 is going on. Yes, and especially there is a one product is there 5.1, which is a standard version. Yes, generally we have a version in every platform. So 5.1 is a one stable version and which is a default for every Windows operating system. And then only Microsoft took a big decision. They announced it as a open source. They announced it as a PowerShell as a open source. Anyone can use it. Just I said to you one word now. See, from here also I can use the PowerShell commands. I want to stop a VM. How simply I am going to remove the VM? And before going to run this command, I am running a Linux command. See, this is a one Linux command. You don't worry whatever the commands I am using. You will get in the training, not in the demo session. If everything if you get from the demo, we can attend all technologies demos. See, this is a way it is working on the Linux operating system. Every Linux command will work if you know the Linux command. If you know the Linux command. See how simple I am going to delete that VM, which is ABCD VM is there now. It is showing to you running. It is showing to you running. Now after 1 to 2 minutes, it is going to terminate. Right guys. Now come to the original training. Sir, we are going to start again. I'm saying to you from zero. That is my word. We don't know anything previous knowledge we don't have. Additionally, you will get from this training regular expressions. Sir, I don't know anything how to, I want to get a expert level knowledge. Yes, this is a perfect way I'm saying to you. I'm just giving to you some demos, but which means you don't consider, sir, I don't know whatever you are executing. Sir, you don't know. That's why you are joining here. I'm explaining to you how the sessions is going to available here. For that, I am giving to you some demos. This knowledge you will get in my training. But I need to show you something. What is the level of this training? I need to show you some this level of this training. That's why I'm giving to you some examples. So there is a two types of environments are available in our mission. The first one, what is a PowerShell? What is a command? Commands are how many types are there? Command, commandlet. Target is very simple. Believe me. Whatever we are doing from GUI mode, let's take on the desktop. I am creating a folder, sir. I am creating a folder. Hello world. This is a GUI approach. The GUI means graphically you are using right click and you are creating. Same thing I want to create from the PowerShell. In old days, PowerShell area we have a MS DOS is there. Command line prompt. CMD prompt. It's extension only. It's extension only. It's extension only PowerShell. See, we created one folder ABCD. Yes. See, now I want to create a folder by the PowerShell. How to do this one? Okay, definitely today we don't know. See how simple I'm going to create the a folder on the desktop. See, just close lecture. How I'm simply going to create a folder on the desktop. XYZ. Yes, somewhere it is created. Where is the XYZ? You can test it. Yes, here it is created. Just right click. Just now only, na? No, not now, sir. No. Already this folder is there overridden. Let me write one more thing. XYZ folder name is XYZ R123. Yes, go back here. Is it created? Yes, this is the one. Just now only we created. This is just example point only. If I ask you create a file on the desktop with some content, we will write my file 100.txt. Hi, good morning. We are writing. This is a GUI mode. Even a school child also will perform this activity. But same thing you have to perform by the PowerShell. Same thing you have to perform by the PowerShell. See how simple I'm writing here. New file 200.txt. Good morning, Naga. How are you? That's all. See, it is created a file hello 200.txt here. See, in front of you only I created. Simple point is I'm trying to explaining to you what is the main use. Whatever you are doing from GUI mode that we have to perform in the CMD plus automation. That is a main target. Automation is a main target. Here two environments we have. One is a command line, another one to develop the scripts. This is a level 2, sir. First 20 days we will spend on this blue color screen. Then we will learn the course from this area. From this area. It is a scripting purpose. Scripting purpose. It is a scripting purpose. Purely for the scripting purpose. Purely for the scripting purpose here we have. Just script means one file, you can write your logic. For example, if I know the command, how I will get the disk space information. See, on the screen you can close the object, how I am going to get the disk space information. See, how simple I received the disk space information of my machine. Disk space information. Even I am going to get in the GBs. You won't believe this one, how I am going to simply complete the logics. See, I am not saying to you, sir, here you should know this one. No, I'm saying to you, we will get in this training. Try to understand. how we are going to get the free space information in GBs? Okay, I'm getting one error. Just wait. One more bracket is missing. The same information in GBs. You can see this one. 36 GB free space, D drive, E drive. Really, it is not a mysterious language. Even if you want to get only C drive, yes, possible. If you want to get only C drive information also, see, whatever the logic I am using, see, how I am getting the logic, C drive information. Not only this one, you can also trigger the mails. See, send message, for example, just to hold, give me 2 to 3 minutes. I am giving you a advanced example. How to send the mail. For that, give me 1 minute time. You can expect this type of logic end of the training. Okay, I will pick up any one of the mail ID. Okay, this is a general using one. Okay, it is under very secure manner. Okay, now see, I want something happened for my environment or C drive when it is reached to 60 GB or 70 GB. I want to get an alert. So I will write source mail ID equals to this one. Destination, regularly this mail ID I will provide to you. Every weekend I will send to you some assignment. You have to forward to this mail ID. Hold on, I will open that mail ID. Just to observe that logic. Hold on. Now, target is very simple. I want to trigger when the disk space utilization is reached to particularly 30 GB or 40 GB or less than 40 GB. In that scenario, I want to trigger an alert. That is a target. Okay. I have. Yes. Okay, guys. Now see how I'm going to trigger the disk space information. Even we can generate the CSV and HTML type of reports. And one more thing also required passwords. How I'm going to take the password in automation way, like system dot management dot automation dot ps credentials. 1 second. Sir, you don't know this one really. At this point, you don't know. If you know this one, you are expert. Source from source destination dest port is the default port we have to use. It's a Gmail and credentials here subject C disk space info. You can attach any one of them here. Attachments that is up to you, but I'm just pinging general one only. See, I'm just executing this. Oh no, I'm getting one error. Hold on. Okay, SMTP server name it is also. Okay, fine. So is there any scripts? No, I don't have any alerts. Uh, Here is my another mail ID. Yes. See, just do the refresh. Am I getting any alerts? Where is my target one? Target mail ID. Yes, this is the one. See, just which was triggered at 11:35. You can see the time 11:35. We are not attached to anything. Just some test came here. Not only this one, if you know how to generate the reports like HTML format reports or CSV format reports, what not. Yes, reports generation is required here. See how simple we are going to generate the reports. Just closed observe with single first 20 sessions only. This knowledge I'm expecting from you after my training. You are going to get from after 20 sessions only, sir. Not only end of the training, not only you will get if you learn this part. I'm very clearly saying that on after 20 sessions only. See how simple I am going to get the disk space information or operating system information in the CSV format. That's all. You can open naga.txt file. See how beautifully you are going to see the output. It is asking which browser I want to use. Use it, any one of the browser. Browsers are not there. Huh? HTML. Spelling mistake, sir. I'm sorry. HTML. HTML. Now see how beautifully you are seeing the disk space information in the web page. Okay, but these are we have. I'm not saying to you you should learn or before coming to these training you should good at these commands. No, sir. We are going to learn these things from in our training. We are going to learn from this training. Okay, let's come to the course content first of all. What is the course content? So first we are going to start what is the PowerShell, what is the history, and what is the how to start this journey. Definitely, how to start? I don't know anything. In your school days also, our teacher said like you have to write in this way. We fixed in our mind this is a syntax of A. Syntax of A. You believing that from that day onwards you are calling this is a. Why? Because in your mind it is registered is the syntax of A. Like that, what is the syntax of each and every command? Yes, command generally. What is a command? We do day one we don't know any everything, sir. Yeah, just to you feel like we are learning a new language, like a, how you are learning English, Hindi, or C language, like it is a new language. And then after do the filtration. For example, filtration point I will talk 6 hours. You can able to see some command output. This is a get service command output generally. So lot of objects are there. The same thing you can no need to see in the see, graphical user interface also you will get the same result. No doubt. I am saying to you already we are performing this action in the GUI mode. See the name ARSVC same name is there. You can compare these two. But GUI will use the lot of resources, right? So for example, my requirement, if you see some heading is there, which are starting with A only I want to get, which is not starting with A. Wherever which are starting with A, that one only I want to get. Simple. See how simple I am starting this result, filtering the result. See, I am filtering the result. I am filtering the result. See, even if you want to monitor the log files, advanced filtration even here also. If you see the status stopped running, stopped running is there. I want to see only stopped or running services. If you know the pipeline concept of filtration concept, see, so little bit speed I'm moving to cover all the examples. See, I am getting all stopped only. You can see here stopped, stopped, stopped only there. Just it is a filtration. Basic filtration only, even it is not advanced. These things we will cover in the part number 2, filtration. And definitely everywhere we have operators, like in a plus minus, how we have here also some operators are there. 16 plus 1, total 17 operators we have in our course. 4 connectors, that's all, your course is over. 16 operators, 4 connectors. If you learn these 21 operators, you are expert. But right time, we have to use that. And regular expression, this is additional benefit you will get. This regular expression not only related to PowerShell, which is common in the Python and Linux, everywhere this is common, right? So here we will work with the Nagios monitoring tool also, the DevOps point, how to do the filtration of or how to monitor a log file. Yes. So guys, up to this area, data types and variables, up to this area, it will take 20 sessions to complete this area. Then we will start the second part as for here, 20 to 35 basic. 1 to 25 sessions, one line commands we will learn. Then 20 to 35 scripting we will start. This is a starting point. Scripting, how to write the automation. I am completely zero in the programming or coding. Really, it is a programming, it is not a programming language. It's a pure scripting, logical programming language. Simple commands will perform your complete work. And definitely here we have one project is there. In the project, we will implement whatever the sessions completed 1 to 25. After reaching to 5 sessions, 25 session after we have a project is there. Then conditional statement, loops. Yes, even you can also monitor one service. For example, see, generally how to monitor. There is a one important service is there. Let me write one script to you. Wait. Just to give me a sufficient time to explain this logic. There is a one important service is there. Windows Update or Windows WinRM. This is a very important service. Always we have to monitor. It is running. Status is running. You can close the observe. Running. See how I am going to monitor that one. See, this will do one activity in your machine. Now, before going to run the script, see, observe the get service status. I'm sorry, get service WinRM is a service. What is the status? Running. Good. If it is running, you are in safe mode. Okay. This script also continuously it will monitor your WinRM service. Cool, cool. It is printing. Really, just understanding purpose only I am printing. That cool statement. Fine. It is cool. There is no tension. One user is there like me is stopping the service. There is a one command is there WinRM. Observe the beep sound. It is stopped now. Automatically, see, automatically it is restarting the service. See that one. Again in front of you, I am stopping the service. See, observe here, automatically it is running. So auto monitoring, sir, you no need to do anything. If something happened, you can analyze your log file only. But always if you want to run 24 by 7 or if you want to monitor anything, yes, this is a best like infinity loop concept is there. Just is a sample example thing. Okay, so here with help of the yes, whatever I used, that is a one of the loop. This is a loop I used. Have observed here while word I used in the script. This is a word, right? Then after come back and then we will write the reporting scripts. This is a regular work. I want generating the reports automatically, not like a manual creation. Task scheduler or activities. Every day you want to trigger some jobs, CSV reports or HTML. Yes, HTML format. One example I provided. So after that, 35 sessions will be completed this area. After that, one requirement will come. Based on your organization or your role, you need to create your own command. That day you will decide after 35 sessions. As of now, PowerShell provided or Microsoft provided commands we are using. Now, when the level 3, especially when we reach to the third level, here you will get a doubt or a stage will come. Sir, I want to create my own command, not Microsoft provided. I want to do my personal work for the automation. So the answer will come from the advanced functions. A parent block will give to you perfect clarity how to create your own commands and modules and how to work with remote servers. For example, in Azure Cloud, I have a one VM is there. Just hold on. I will show you how to connect this VM. This is a one VM is there. 172, 190, 190, 115. This is one of the machine, Windows machine. I want to connect this machine by the PowerShell. The GUI mode, everyone can connect it. That is not a, see, this is a GUI mode. GUI mode, same machine only. I want to connect from the PowerShell. PowerShell, by the PowerShell, I want to connect it. See how simple. Now prompt observe here. Who am I? My name, my machine name is server02. What is the cloud machine name? Server01. See how I am going to connect remote management. See this one. I have a fixed credentials in my machine. See now ask the same question. I observe the machine. This one. Observe this one. Just see. The machine is available somewhere. Maybe you may not see this type of example in the environment. We have to work with the domain level, Active Directory point. Active Directory point. See everything. Even I can go to the desktop from this point. I am presently this is my local laptop, but I am working on the this is a IP address of my destination machine. Nothing but like a machine I created on the here. This is a one. This is a one. I am here. I am here. See, if I execute a command, if you close Labs, clear the screen. I am creating a one directory I am creating on the desktop. That's all. I am installing one software. I am installing one software from my laptop only. I am performing. From my laptop only I am performing. Really, is it going to install anything on the desktop? I received one error. Something. What is that error? PS1. See the log file. Maybe say the security. Security issue means in the sense there is a one more layer is available. That is a execution policies issue is there. Nothing but to run the script. There are different type of permissions are available. One of them is, do you have the proper execution policy? It is asking. Yes, maybe my machine or desktop machine not available. That's why it is not allowing me to execute it. See how I connected. Even I can find out what is my operating system name and I can find out what is the IP address in configuration, what is the private IP, what is the routes are available. if config, I'm sorry, IP. See, simple way we are monitoring here. It is a one-to-one connectivity. But in the environment, we will use domain level, trusted relationship available in Active Directory especially. There is a invoke command we will use. Like that, just here the word came, that's why we are moving to remote management area. Next, how to run scripts background and how to create our own certificates. This is a very important point, sir. After background jobs, how to run the certificates, how to create our own certificates, how to securely store the our required passwords. We cannot put them directly to the, we won't expose passwords directly to everyone. We need to store them very securely in our machine. For that certificate is a, how to install the required certificate, nothing but a self-signed certificate. This is our, and how to link with your required file, how to get back if someone is trying to unlock the file, how to get the error. We can another, and we can create it in our machine. That is a self-signed certificate, one of the biggest session. Then yes, WMI remote servers point, how to get complete internal information. For example, I'm just coming outside of the remote server. I'm sorry, I'm coming just outside of my remote server. What is the operating system and what is the WMI and SIM instance? For example, what is the operating system information? See that operating system information, or else see, just closely observe all the details. What is the operating system and what are the available names? Everything we are getting here, operating system name. Even how to see the details, a big list we are getting. Your operating system name and when it was installed, what is my machine uptime. It's a version 5.1 only. If you execute one variable as it is, if you run on your machine, some variable in PowerShell, anything starting with a dollar, we will call as a variable, the variable name. But latest one, how to get? Our target is not local, this 5.1. I want to get the knowledge on 5. Latest one, 7.x. Two versions I am going to cover here. Not only one. Not only one, two versions we are going to cover here. So then after DSC is one of the important service for SQL servers, Active Directory, especially Azure Cloud Automation Account Service. So then after you will get expert level knowledge. So then I will explain to you, I will provide to you training, but not end to end. After 55 sessions, perfectly you will get the knowledge of the PowerShell. 100%, 101% I will provide to you different logics. I will compare always with Python also. Additional benefit to you. Then after, in 1 to 2 sessions, I will give to you idea about the how to work on Azure. So next, actually last time also we planned SQL Server. I even due to time issues. Very clearly I am saying that one word. For example, this training is, try to understand this statement before joining. The clear statement is required. For example, this weekend, this is our training. It will take 2 to 3 months, sir. When the 35 sessions are completed, your regular sessions are available Monday to Friday. No doubt, Monday to Friday. So some people joined especially for AD, SQL Server or VMware and Azure Cloud. So don't think about SQL Server and AD, sir. We will play with them. Sir, after 35 session, total 55 duration, 55 days or 55 hours duration. So some people exactly related to AD. After completion of 35 out of 55 days, one Sunday, maybe it will take 2 to 3 months, means probably it will take 10 Sundays, 10 weekends or 10 weeks required. Our training is Monday to Friday, no doubt. Some specially people they are learning for Active Directory. For that, maybe 7th Sunday I will take the session on Active Directory. Those who are required Instead of, for example, one person is attending for completely VMware. Why we have to disturb that person? So after 7 weeks, regularly Monday to Friday will work, no doubt. Additionally, one Sunday I will take an Active Directory, SQL Server, VMware, Azure. This is a new plan, previously not there, which is after 35 sessions. For example, your target is SQL Server. When we schedule one particular Sunday, that Sunday you can attend for the SQL Server. Even old batch people also, last previous two batch people also, they will attend. So this is an extra benefit to you from my end. And Jenkins and other things, we will play with them, how to create the pipeline. Duration is a 55, whatever I said beginning. Now fees is 3000. Previously it is 2500 only. Yes, previous one weekend batch and this batch is a 3000 and a genuine live interactive training. Yes, guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask it. And for the subject, that is for subject or content, you are completely zero. I don't know anything. If you have that type of question, this is my guarantee. Just believe me. A genuine subject I am going to provide to you. That is my assurance to you. And it's a one-time payment. After the payment, please share the payment screenshot to this number only. Actually, this is a QR code, or you can use directly Google Pay or Phone Pay, Paytm. These details you can use it. If you are outside of India, you can use the option number 3. Option number 3 is available for the registration. Guys, you don't worry. Already, if you done your payment, I will add your number to one special WhatsApp group. And already 8 slots are completed out of 25. Morning 25, evening 25. You have to inform one word to me. Are you going to attend morning and evening, or only evening, or only morning? Option is anything. You have to inform it after the payment. Then I will conclude your belongs to morning or your belongs to both. Yes, purely 25 session for a batch. That is a fixed one. After every live session, you will get the daily recordings. Right, guys? So if you have any queries regarding this one, you can ask here. Definitely, we will talk that one. 1 second.